got you a little present for Christmas.
Brake pads?
Sure.
Cabin filter.
Yes! Merry Christmas, boys! It's the holiday season, and we just wanted to take time out to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of our fantastic customers. And don't forget, we also have House of Mufflers and Brakes gift cards. It's the gift for that person that you barely know, but you feel somewhat obligated to buy them a gift. Well, nothing says Merry Christmas like House of Mufflers and Brakes gift cards. So, Merry Christmas, everybody, and don't forget, take it to the house.
Take it to the house. We'll fix it right. We do whatever it takes. Take it to the house.